Hello, my name is Abdul, and I'm inquiring about your automate email notifications for Google Sheets. To Outlook, I think I have a pretty good solution for you. Basically, the what we're going to use is an app script in Google Sheets into a webhook into your email of choice. For this test, I just used Gmail just because it was connected, but switch to Outlook will not be a problem at all. So we could just test this right now. It's already live. So if I change the first person to Abdul, you'll see an email notification come through in just a second. And as you see, it gives me the timestamp, who changed it, the cell range, and the summary of changes. So as you can see, column B, I changed it from Jake Paul to Abdul. Cool. The next thing is if we decided to change the whole thing or multiple cells at one time. I've also accounted for this. So as you can see, we changed almost 11 rows at the same time. And another email notification will come through very shortly. And as you can see, the same thing, email, username, all these features in each column that has been changed, it tells you the past and the new value. One last thing I do want to mention is I also have a change log just for more storing. And this last snapshot just holds some data so that it can compare what actually changed. If you really like this demo, please don't be scared to reach out to me. I would love to work with you. Again, my name is Abdul. Nice to meet you.